yourselves, please.
Hi everyone, I'm Pale Sheena. And dati po, sobrang putla ko talaga kasi kulang ko sa iron.
So hi, I'm Distracted Princess. So dati, lagi ako nahihirapan mag-focus sa work.
Good evening, I'm Tired Ellie. Before, konting lakad at buhat ko lang, napapagod ako agad.
Ako naman po si Dizzy Apple. Dati, madalas din akong talagang mahilo.
And I'm City Paula. Dati, madalas talaga akong magkasakit.
I think we believe you. Yes, talagang totoo. Anyway, ladies, we are congratulating them. Another round of applause. Again, as you saw in the video, the search was very exciting. It was a long process. So, syempre, excited kami to see your performance later on. So, we will see them later. So, thank you so much. We will have a photo. Girls, go center and enjoy the spotlight. Again, of course, this is a different kind of girl group, the first in the country. And not only are they talented, of course, these women are real winners in every aspect. So, if you notice, they represent different symptoms that I'm sure maraming nakaka-relate to. So, if they can win and look as gorgeous as that, I'm sure you guys can win as well. Alright, thank you so much! They look so gorgeous, and we will see them perform later on. And just like that, with the Animex, there's another songstress that I'm sure you guys are all excited to meet. Are you excited?